Hello everyone. Can you solve this expression which is 8 minus 5 bracket 8 minus 5? So if you think the answer for this question is 9, then you are wrong. Most people solve this expression as here 8 minus 5 is there, then what comes 3 times 8 minus 5 3. So they get 9. But this is the wrong value. Because according to order of operation which is PEMDAS, here first write the question P E M D A S PEMDAS. P is parenthesis, E exponent, M multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Here you have to remember this multiplication division both have equal priorities, therefore go from left to right. Same for addition and subtraction. So here first we'll solve this parenthesis part, means bracket part. So 8 minus 5 times 3. Then we'll solve this part. So 8 minus 5 3 is a 15. So 8 minus 15 which is minus 7.